So a quick recap on the process of digestion in human beings. So as you can see here, it's a tabular format explanation that I have drawn where you can see the different parts of the alimentary canal, the name of different glands of the respective parts, the secretion mainly that they are producing, the enzymes which are present in the secretion, and the mode of action of the enzyme. So in the case of mouth, as we can see, we do know that we have got three pairs of salivary glands which are responsible for secreting saliva. And in saliva, the major enzyme present is salivary amylase, which act on the starch which is present in the food and convert it into simple sugar. In the second part, the stomach which is there consists of glands which are known as gastric glands, and the secretion of the gastric gland makes the food acidic in nature. And we do know that the gastric gland produces juices which consist of three main elements into it. One is the hydrochloric acid, making the food acidic in nature. One is mucus, which protects the inner lining of the stomach from the acidic action of the HCl, and one important enzyme which is pepsin. This pepsin acts on the protein substances which are there in the food and convert them into simple substances like peptones and the peptides. The third important part of the alimentary canal being the liver, which produces bile juice, and as we know, as the food encounters the secretion from the liver, the food from the acidic nature now turns into being alkaline. These bile juices consist of salts which acts on the emulsification of the fat, converting the larger fat globules into the smaller ones. The secretion from the pancreas, which are known as the pancreatic juices, consist of three main enzymes which are trypsin, lipase and amylase. Trypsin works on the proteins, lipase works on the fat, and amylase works on again the carbohydrates or the starch and convert them into simple substances of its own kind like amino acids, fatty acid and glycerol and maltose. And lastly, as the process of digestion gets completed in the small intestine, it receives secretion from the liver, from the pancreas along with its own intestinal juices, secreting various sets of enzyme, allowing the complete digestion of the food to happen, converting the entire carbohydrates into sugars, the proteins into amino acids, fats and lipids into fatty acid and glycerol. If you have liked the video, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and happy learning guys.